Hey peeps, Kemal Malcolm here, Jamaican International, and you're watching Eddy's Vision. Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now today we have a big issue on our hands. It's time for us to kind of sort out that number 6 position for Jamaica. The Reggae Boyz badly need a defensive midfielder. We have a few candidates here to look at, but I need your guys' help in picking that perfect defensive midfielder for Jamaica. Okay, let's get into it. Currently, we have Kevin Lambert, who holds on that spot in the Nation League. Kevin Lambert, aka Pepe, he plays in the USL Championship for Phoenix Rising FC. He's just 25 years old, central midfielder. His value is now at €275,000. Lambert can also play as a centre back, but mainly his preferred position is defensive midfielder. For last season, Lambert made 10 appearances for Phoenix Rising, scoring 2 goals, picking up 3 yellow cards. Lambert has made 15 appearances for the Reggae Boyz, getting his debut February 17, 2017. Lambert has been in and out of the squad, good little player, can do a job at defensive midfield, but we'll move on to our next candidate. Kevin Stewart. He plays in the Championship for Blackpool. He's 28 years old, defensive midfielder. His value currently is €1 million. In terms of season stats, he made 12 appearances for Blackpool, 2 yellow cards, and registering 2 assists. Kevin Stewart is able to play left back and also at centre back. Stewart has 2 caps for the Reggae Boyz, making his debut January 30, 2022 in the World Cup qualifiers. We now move on to Jordan Cousins, the Wigan Athletic player, 28 years old. Just like Stewart, he's a defensive midfielder. He's valued at €700,000. The League One player made 16 appearances, registering 3 yellow cards. Cousins pretty much played a game against Catalonia. It's not registered as an official friendly, so he's yet to make an official debut for Jamaica. Last but definitely not least, we have the judge, Anthony Grant, a League 2 player for Scunthorpe United, 35-year-old central midfielder, valued at €200,000. The judge made 18 appearances, picking up 5 yellow cards and 1 red card. Anthony Grant to date has played 6 games for the Reggae Boyz, making his debut September 3, 2021. Grant was a mainstay and the number 1 at this position, but somehow he lost his place when Paul Hall arrived. I know that Paul Hall had said that he wanted to bring down the total age of the squad, but we've still seen older players like Grant in the team, so it's kinda mind-boggling. Why Grant is not in the team? That's a big question. But for now, we have to push on without Anthony Grant. It doesn't seem like he'll be making the team anytime soon. But, you know, in Grant we trust and we want Grant in the team. So we've taken a look at Lambert, Cousins, Grant, and Kevin Stewart. Who do you guys pick for that defensive midfield role? Do you want to look outside to other players? Many persons might still have hope in getting the Newcastle defensive midfielder, Hayden. I think that dream is over. If you have any other names, you can drop them in the comment section below. We want that solid defensive midfielder. The team is crying out for that defensive midfielder. Or is it Speedy? You guys want Speedy? Let me know in the comment section below. This has been another episode of Eddy Vision. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.